We get a lot of requests from people looking to improve communication when speakers and listeners need to be on the move, or just a flexible system that can be used in any room. So today we're going to look at how do we solve that problem. There are two situations that we come across often that need improved communication but can't install a room loop. The first one is when people need to be mobile, like on a tour. The second one is when people just need the flexibility to bring that technology to any room and can't afford to install a room up in every single room in their facility. And our solution to this in both cases is the same. ListenTALK by Listen Technologies. ListenTALK is an easy and flexible two-way communication system. A leader talks into their microphone, and that signal is then transmitted to other receivers for the whole group to listen. This means that users can clearly hear the speaker, no matter how noisy the environment is, no matter which way the speaker is facing, or how far away they are, up to 300 feet or indoors and 600 feet outdoors. And another big advantage is that group members can talk back and ask questions to the leader that either just the leader can hear or the whole group can hear with that same level of clarity. What really sets ListenTALK apart is the simplicity and the flexibility. Linking receivers together and creating a group is simple as loading the tray and hitting the pair button. But there's another really simple way to pair someone if they show up late. The leader hits their pair button, and the new person just holds the back of their receiver together. And now they're paired using NFC technology. There are an unlimited number of receivers that can operate in the same group, and up to 10 different groups can operate within the same room. This makes it really easy to split your tour up or your training and operate in different groups. And if somebody needs to bounce from one to the other, well, that's simple as pairing them to that group. And to add to that flexibility, any one of these transceivers can be turned into a leader unit just by adding a leader clip. There are three modes of operation. One, when a participant asks a question, everyone hears it. When a participant asks a question, only the leader hears it. Or talkback is disabled. And these modes can be changed on the fly by the leader. When participants want to ask a question, they simply hold down the push to talk button, and when they let go, they're muted again. There are two ways that the transceiver picks up the voice of the participant. When someone talks back, they can have their voice heard by the group through the microphone they're wearing in their headset, or if they're not wearing a headset with a microphone, there is an integrated microphone in the transceiver. To aid communication to people who are hearing impaired, but still retain the mobility of the system, we recommend the use of a neck loop that can transmit the signal to a telecoil-enabled hearing aid. If mobility isn't an issue, but you still need the flexibility of the system, you can connect one of the receivers to a portable table loop. The standard receiver is a two-way unit that can be converted into the leader unit, but there's also listen-only units in either the Pro or Basic level if you don't need the talkback function. There are many different headsets that are compatible with the system. There's two-ear models and single-ear models with microphones, a more discrete single-ear model with a microphone, options that work with hard hats, full earmuffs, in-ear buds, many options for people to use. You generally should select your headset based on the noise level of the environment first, and then what works best for your users. There's a variety of charging options as well. There's different size charging docks. There are charging cases that you can load the receivers into and charge them right in the case, or just a standard USB plug. If you have questions about the ListenTALK system or interested in purchasing a package, don't hesitate to contact us.